Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets to help you make informed choices. Today, we're talking about a game-changing keyboard, the Arteck HB192 Universal Bluetooth Keyboard. If you're on the hunt for a versatile, ergonomic, and stylish keyboard that can connect to multiple devices seamlessly, you're in for a treat. Let's explore what makes the Arteck HB192 a standout choice. First up, flexibility. The Arteck HB192 takes multi-device connectivity to the next level. With the ability to connect to 3 devices simultaneously, you can easily switch between them with a single key click. That means you can use it with your laptop, tablet, smartphone, or any other compatible device effortlessly. Now, let's talk about design. This keyboard is not only functional but also sleek. The stainless steel material gives it a robust and premium feel, and the low-profile keys offer a quiet and comfortable typing experience. Plus, it has all the keys you need, including arrow keys and a number pad. When it comes to compatibility, the Arteck HB192 has you covered. It works seamlessly with all major operating systems, including iOS, Android, macOS, and Windows. Whether you're using a computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone, this keyboard is ready to pair and enhance your typing experience. Now, let's talk about convenience. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery is a game-changer. With an industry-high capacity, it lasts up to 6 months on a single charge, based on 2 hours of non-stop use per day. Say goodbye to constantly changing batteries. Special features? Oh, it's got them! The Arteck HB192 gives you quick access to common functions like volume control, playback, copy-paste, and more. It's designed to make your life easier, and it even has dedicated Windows hotkeys for added convenience. When you're typing away, you'll appreciate the whisper-quiet, low-profile keys. They're designed for comfort and precision, ensuring that your fingers glide effortlessly across the keyboard. Plus, the keyboard's scissors kick construction is built to last, with a lifespan of more than 3 million key presses. Worried about running out of power during those important tasks? Don't be. The Arteck HB192's rechargeable battery has you covered. With 6 months of use on a single charge, you can focus on your work without constantly searching for your charging cable. And here's the icing on the cake, a 2-year warranty. If you ever encounter any issues, the Arteck support team is there to assist you. They've got your back, ensuring that you have a hassle-free experience with this fantastic keyboard. So, there you have it, the Arteck HB192 Universal Bluetooth Keyboard. A versatile, ergonomic, and stylish keyboard that's designed to make your tech life easier. Whether you're working, typing, or multitasking, this keyboard is here to elevate your experience.